One morning, a woman was standing in line at a coffee shop. She looked tired. Her eyes were low and she did not smile. The man behind her noticed this. He did not know her story. He did not ask many questions. He only said, "I hope your day gets better." The woman looked up. For a second she was quiet. Then she smiled. It was just one sentence, but sometimes one kind sentence can change the color of someone's day. We often think kindness must be big. We think we need to do something special. But most of the time, kindness is very simple. It can be a warm hello. It can be listening without judging. It can be giving someone a little more patience. In daily life, we may not know what others are carrying. So speak softly, smile often, be kind when you can. A small light is still light.